Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right after this general reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have 10 of stars in reverse, 9 of suns in reverse, and 5 of moons. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are facing a lot of stress, a lot of troubles, guys, but there are certain offers or opportunities coming in your situation today, and it is changing the way things are. It is giving you something like a temporary advantage in your situation. So it may be something in your relationship, or it may be some positive changes in your work situation. So these changes are changing the way, transforming your situation for something better. And you are seeing, maybe you were really frustrated by the way things were. A lot of problems, struggles, and delays, and some kind of suspensions in work. And you were having a lot of stressful situation. Maybe you were sick, suffering, had a lot of pain, went through a lot of pain because of certain things. But all that situation is resolving, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are experiencing a temporary relief from your situation. So there are some changes happening today in your situation, and this may be the right time for you to make some important choice today, important decision, because if you make that right decision, it is going to be a turning point in your situation. So you are going to see things better or do things better if you make that right choice today. For you guys, maybe there are some crucial decisions you are making in your relationship or in your work situation, and your happiness or your positive progress depends on this decision, guys. So, and I also see that you will be making the right choice today in your situation, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have the moon. So looks like you have a lot of dreams and fantasies for this relationship, for this love. So you are dreaming about this person, you have a lot of fantasies about this love, and you may feel a lot of influences. Maybe unconsciously you have something pushing you towards this person, and you are having some you may be seeing some signs, some coincidences pointing you towards this person you love. You need to understand that maybe for some of you this may be a karmic connection, guys. You may have a karmic connection with this person you love. So that is the reason you have some kind of an attraction or intuition guiding you towards them. Maybe this may be a destined relationship for you guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is the Burning Tower in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, there are some inevitable changes happening and you're making a lot of efforts. But whatever efforts you are putting in, you are unable to make any difference. But you need to understand that these changes or these transformation or some kind of changes, it may be drastic changes, it is necessary today. maybe to push you towards something positive in your life, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Sagittarius, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with this card here. That is your first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. The Tinderbox Soldier. So with this card, the energy is that maybe for some of you in your situation today, you have a lot of things going on in your mind and you need to make a choice, a wise choice. But the choices you make are going to affect someone in your life, so someone close to you, and that is the reason you are thinking. And if this harsh choice is necessary today for you, and what is the way you are going to benefit or how it is going to affect the other person, and can you live with that choice? So that is what is worrying you today. And maybe the actions we do, we may feel that we are not punished for whatever wrongs or whatever mistakes that we do. We are living happily, but we need to understand that we ourselves know that we have done something wrong in our life. So that is there in our situation. And is it worthwhile to sacrifice our ethics just for some kind of momentary happiness? And can we live with that? Can we live with such sacrifices? Sacrificing our own ethics and ideals and beliefs, whatever we stand for, the good things we have in our heart. So is this choice worth it? Worth giving up all those just for that momentary happiness or joy? So in your situation today, guys, you need to understand that is your ambition getting over you? Is it holding that power over you to decide or make ruthless choices? So you need to think it out clearly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So in your situation, you are making some harsh decisions for yourself and it is really painful for you. But you need to understand that you can live, you can do things in a much simpler way if you give up your ambitious attitude, guys, in life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Greet the Dawn. So it not only means a new beginning and fresh start in life, it just means that each and every day is a new opportunity to start fresh. So whatever happened yesterday, today we are getting a chance to do things differently. So the light of a new day is an invitation to shine more brightly with love and beauty onto the world. So it may touch others and warm their day. So you don't have to take on the world, you don't have to strive hard. You just have to do your best and do not force things to happen. So the more you force things, there are going to be a lot of conflicts you are going to face today, guys. So you just need to allow your day to unfold as it is and have that sense of acceptance and gratitude for whatever gifts or challenges each and every day brings in our life. So that is what our attitude should be. The way we welcome each day with happiness, with that open arms, welcoming all those challenges and the joy it brings, with that happiness and gratitude. So when we do that, things will change for the better, guys. Our positive attitude is going to change the way things are going in our life, and it is what this card is about. That positive attitude we need to have in our life, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.